Hi, this is just a quick video showing one thing to check if you have wind noise on your Volkswagen Jetta, or Sport Wagon, or other similar model. The owner was complaining of highway wind noise, and upon closer inspection, this door skin was not secured. If you feel along here, you can feel the door skin is secured, but here it's clearly loose and may have been contributing to wind noise. The bolts that hold the door skin in place are located here, and for more pictures of checking the door skin and how to remove the door skin, please see my website. Thank you for watching.